Hello, friends! Welcome to Techenbaum's store, and we are doing a rainbow experiment today. And I have a very special guest with us who is gonna help me do it. Does anybody know who it is? No, it's not Coach Lauren. It's Obot! Yeah! All right, give me some claw. There we are, perfect. Yes, okay. Let's get started on what we need for the experiment, Obot.
What are we doing today, Techenbaum?
Well, we're gonna make a rainbow out of paper towels.
Wow.
Yes, and the first thing that we need is paper towels, 7 cups, and 4 of them filled with water.
Oh, okay.
Then we need food coloring. And there's only 3 of them. They are the primary colors: yellow, blue, and red. And
But how do we get green, Techenbaum?
That's a good question, and we'll see once the rainbow is complete.
Oh, okay.
And the first thing that we need to do is fill every other cup up with water. Fill, no fill, fill, no fill, fill, no fill, fill. The next thing we need to do, I'm going to show you how to fold your paper towel. We need 5 separate paper towels.
Okay.
So we'll take it and we'll just fold it in 3. You can fold it in half, and we can fold it in half again. Can we get that? See that, Obot?
That looks great, Techenbaum.
Yes, it does. Oh, you've got a little mess on your face there. Oh, there we go. Got it. Don't worry. Got you covered.
Thank you, Techenbaum.
Okay, so let's get started with the food coloring. Now follow along closely. We'll need 5 drops of red on the 2 end cups filled with water.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, that's too many drops.
Oh, no.
It's okay, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 for good luck.
Oh.
Yep, we did it. All right, then
What's the next color, Techenbaum?
we are gonna take the blue.
Oh, blue.
And drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the blue.
Okay.
And then we will take the yellow.
Yellow.
And we will drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ha!
Cinco.
I counted in Spanish.
That was great, Techenbaum.
Yes, yes, yes. Now we will mix them. Oh, goodness. We'll mix them up.
Mix.
Let me get my special mixer here. It's under here somewhere. Oh, nope, that's not it. That's a lion.
What?
Oh, that's not it. That's your leg.
Oh, Techenbaum.
I'm sorry. Okay, there we are.
There it
My
is.
special mixer. Anything can mix this up. There we are. Doot, doot, doot. And we'll mix this one up. We've got to get all those little bubbles out.
Mix.
Doot, doot, doot. Mix, 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 mix.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa! Oh boy, we've lost Obot. He got a little mixed up. Silly, silly
Busy
Obot.
friends.
All right, now we are all mixed up. Perfect.
Now what, Techenbaum?
I will show you. We will take.
Oh.
Now look. Put the cups all together, and we'll put one like this into the
Oh.
the 1 cup with the water and the 1 cup with that's dry.
We'll do it for all of them, boop, just like this. And you can try to make a little rainbow like I'm doing now, or you can fold it in a triangle, also works. Yes, I've got them all over my shop. I've tried several different ways, and I like this way the best. Yes. Alright, and once those are in there... Then what happens, Techenbaum? I'll show you. Uh-oh, it seems we're short. A paper towel. Well, we'll cut it out real quick. That's right. That's why we have a whole roll of them. Looks like we need 6 pieces for the experiment. And there we are.
And now, you leave it here, and we'll wait.
How long, Techenbaum?
How long should we wait, Obot?
30 years?
30 years? I won't even live 30 more years. Goodness gracious. We'll wait
Maybe
about...
that's a bad number, Techenbaum.
About 3 to 6 hours is more like it. Obot, you. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
Bye, friends.
Welcome back, friends.
Welcome, friends.
It's been 6 hours.
Whoa.
And look what we have.
Wow.
What do you see, Obot?
I see red and yellow made orange.
Orange,
And yellow and blue made green.
green,
And blue and red made violet.
violet.
Wow. But
Amazing.
Techenbaum,
Yes?
why is your hair violet?
Don't drink the violet water. I thought it was juice.
Don't drink it, friends.
Anyways, rainbows appear in 7 colors because water droplets break the sunlight into 7 different colors.
Wow.
Those are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Wow.
And that is how a rainbow is made.
That's interesting, Techenbaum.
It is! Now, Obot, let's head back to Coach Lauren and see what she has in store. Come on, old chum!
Bye, friends.
Bye!